Right now, she's going to be talking about the forecast over the next few days and chances for rain next week, too.
Right. So it's going to be warm and breezy today, tomorrow, but we do have a kind of an active and unsettled pattern Sunday through early next week, and maybe even lingering into Memorial Day weekend.
In the meantime, it is hot. H-O-T, hot.
Temperatures are well above normal. Let's go ahead and take a look outside so I can show you that update. And we're at 84 degrees already at DBU with a south wind gusting near 22 miles per hour. So not only is it warm and sunny, it's also kind of breezy out there, and that breeze stays with us the remainder of the day. And here's what you got to know. Today there is an air quality alert. The 90s and rain-free conditions continue through at least Saturday. And we're also looking at that unsettled pattern as early as Sunday, lingering into next week. At the moment, DFW Airport reporting 84 degrees with a south wind at about 14, so a little breezier than yesterday. This is really going to kick up the pollen, especially for grasses and oak, currently at a high count. That air quality alert that I'm telling you about is including Dallas and Tarrant County in addition to surrounding counties. This is for high levels of ozone that generally happen whenever you have sunshine and high levels of pollution. And it does tend to limit air quality during the afternoon. So if you have any respiratory issues, you may want to consider limiting time outside. Meanwhile, the high temperature today makes it to 92 in McKinney and in Dallas, 91 in Denton, 93 in Fort Worth, and into the mid to upper 90s for portions of far western North Texas. Again, normal for this time of the year is 83. We're well above that. Tomorrow we stay in the 90s with the high near 91. The morning is going to feel quite warm for us. Friday morning will with the temperature near 70 degrees. But we'll see the sunshine Friday and Saturday. Very similar Saturday with a high near 90. I do want to point this out. Isolated afternoon thunderstorms possible west of DFW on Friday. This is really going to be a very limited potential. Better chance for rain comes on Sunday. But let me talk you through Friday really quick because I do think we'll see a little more cloud cover. This is around 7 p.m. on Friday. You see a few of these thunderstorms in far western portions of North Texas. Those are going to really decay before they get a chance to make it into the Metroplex. And this happens between 7 p.m. and about 11 p.m. on your Friday. Otherwise, we are rain-free Friday, Saturday. 20% coverage of rain Sunday, slightly higher early parts of next week. And this is all due to different things. So on Sunday specifically, I'm taking you to Sunday around 6 in the afternoon. I want to point your attention to this area. This is an area that we'll be watching for storm development. Those storms, they'll develop, they'll eventually blossom and move into North Texas. At the moment, coverage still looking pretty scattered at about a 20%. And any decaying thunderstorms could cause some gusty winds, but the higher threat for severe weather on Sunday will be in Oklahoma and into the plains. Fast forward to early next week. We're now talking about a few waves of thunderstorms moving in. Specifically, models hinting at this happening during the afternoon hours. This is around 9 p.m. and you see a bulk of that rain primarily south of the Metroplex, and then it kind of focuses in eastern North Texas. We get a break or a lull in the rain, but by Tuesday afternoon again, we're looking at added scattered showers and thunderstorms, all as a front kind of lingers in the area. That's really going to be what's causing some of this scattered activity. And then again on Wednesday during the afternoon and evening time frame. You know, when you factor in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it doesn't rain the entire day, and it doesn't mean rain for everyone. I do want to emphasize that. But we could pick up a quick inch of rainfall during that time frame. I do think slightly higher amounts to the northeast of DFW. Meanwhile, temperatures, because of the rain and added cloud cover, are going to drop into the mid 80s. But until then, we're looking warm, breezy, and sunny. We do see temperatures back into the 80s as early as Sunday. Good portion of next week. Oh, that Friday should read about 84 degrees. I'll fix that. But next week, we are for Memorial Day weekend. It does look like we'll see temperatures in the mid 80s and maybe an isolated thunderstorm in the forecast as well, Matt.
All right. Thank you so much, Mariel. Today's a big day for the NFL. Schedule release day. The league will release the full schedule for all teams tonight.